In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete campaigns on Mailchimp. Whether you're tidying up your Mailchimp dashboard or just need to remove some outdated campaigns, it's a simple process. So let's dive right in and walk through it together. To get started, you'll first need to head over to Mailchimp.com and log into your account. Once you've entered your credentials and signed in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. This is your main control center for all things Mailchimp, and from here, we'll be able to access your campaigns. Now take a look at the panel on the left-hand side of the screen. This is your navigation menu, and it's where you'll find all the different sections of your account. From this menu, go ahead and click on the section labeled Campaigns. Once you click, it will open up a new page that displays all the email campaigns you've created in your account. At this point, you might be looking at a long list of campaigns, especially if you've been using Mailchimp for a while. If that's the case, don't worry. Mailchimp has provided some handy tools to make this process easier. You'll see a search bar and filter options on this page. Use these tools to quickly locate the specific campaign you want to delete. This can save you time, especially if your list of campaigns feels overwhelming. Just type in a keyword or use the filters to narrow things down. Once you've found the campaign you want to remove, you'll notice that there's a drop-down menu located right next to that campaign. Give it a click, and you'll see a list of actions you can perform for that particular campaign. From this menu, select the option that says Delete. Here's where you want to be extra careful. Deleting a campaign is a permanent action, so it's important to double-check that you've selected the correct one. Take a moment to confirm you're working with the right campaign before proceeding to the next step. After you've clicked Delete, Mailchimp will display a confirmation message. This is your final checkpoint. The message will ask you to confirm that you're sure about deleting the campaign. Read it over, and if you're confident that you want to go through with it, go ahead and confirm. Once you do, the campaign will be permanently removed from your account, and that's it. Your unwanted campaign has now been deleted, and your Mailchimp dashboard is a little more organized. The whole process is quick and straightforward, and it should take you less than 5 minutes from start to finish. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with a few tips. First, always double-check that you're deleting the correct campaign. This is especially important if you're managing multiple accounts or working on a team. Also keep in mind that once a campaign is deleted, it can't be recovered. So if there's any important data or analytics associated with that campaign, make sure you've saved it elsewhere before deleting. Thanks for watching our quick guide on managing your Mailchimp campaigns. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Until next time, have a fantastic day and happy organizing.